Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Furqan Aziz.
And my name is Elang Budi Yudhistira.
And today we want to make a podcast, and our podcast theme is about
Startup.
a startup company.
How to build a startup. Yeah.
Yes.
So, Furqan, do you know what is startup?
Yes, startup is a company that was mainly used for technologies like e-commerce. For example, in Indonesia, we have some startup companies like Gojek, Shopee, Tokopedia, and the others. And for like internationally, like we know, we can like use it for the nowadays like PayPal, and then Amazon, after that Alipay, and then Alibaba, and the others like that. Do you want some more explanation or just like that?
More explanation? Yeah, can.
Uh, can you specify the explanation?
Explanation about startup.
Okay. So if you're still confused about what is startup is a company that was not really meant to be the age of the company. Like we know, startup is a new company, like still at 1 until 5 years age group, but at one time a startup can be means about a technological company. Like before, like I say, like the example like Gojek. A startup company is mainly used for invention. Like Gojek, before we need to go searching for Ojek first in our home, like nearby our home. Nah, because of Gojek, we just need to tap on the phone and screen, and then our Gojek will come like that. Yes, I have built a startup company. It was called Inside Path. You can see in my LinkedIn for purposes. I working in there, and I have made one event in that startup company. It was about webinar. Now, in that webinar, there is three types of webinar. The first is about website development. The second is about design graphic, and the third is about UI UX design. Now, why we make three? Because Inside Path is maybe will be a startup company that I'm making right now. It was about a course company, so we will teach the others, and that's why we make three because we have three main subjects that is website, and then design UI UX, and then design graphic.
What's your plan to be company?
Okay, my plan is by using my connections. So like this, I have a father that have a very maybe big connections, and I will try to use that wisely because at that one time we need some connections to make a big company. Like if a grown company have a good connections, they can make a bigger company. But if a good company have bad connections, like just only in the local or nearby their company, it will be more harder to become uh, a better company in the future.
So, uh, you did you wanna make another startup company if the Inside Pet was successfully to be big company?
I think no, because if I just like calculating the payment for our client, like for at one time we can just take like 40,000 rupiah from them for each of the Zoom. Nah, if we times it into like 20 for like 20 meet, or there is in one meet there is 20 people, and then we teach the lessons. Nah, it's been we already get around 200, uh, eh, no, it's become like 800,000 rupiah, and it was, I think it was very, very good for startup company. And for, and for Inside Path, I'm sorry, it was focusing on the IT course. Like before, I have so many grown men. Yeah, it was around the age group of 25 until 40. Uh, Even they didn't know me, they still wanted to learn. It means the IT now have a very big like chances to get big money to in the future. But for a disclaimer, if you want to be a rich guy, like financially free, and then the others, you cannot stop coding and the others. It was just an advice I get from a YouTuber that was experienced for 20 years in the Google developer because developers have a very big deals for the payment, but they still need to work and they cannot do it. They cannot end like they have some other companies like that because they were still busy with their with what they work on. And maybe I just curious about it, but do you to make a startup company or you have or you even had an experience working on a startup company alone?
If I want to make a startup company, I want to make. Actually, I have so much idea. The first, yeah, I want to make like inside pet, education, like course, but it's still uh on- ongoing, it's still not done. So maybe around July or August, I will start the program, and then uh I want to make a company about like jasa or what jasa
Service.
like service about design or making WordPress.
Or like freelancing like that.
Yeah, because first it can work anywhere and from home or while we uh, going to anywhere, so we can uh, doing project. And then uh, I want I have experience working in startup company. Yeah, in your company is that I want to be like administrator just for a while for my little experience. But in there I learn so much uh, about comedy, yeah, about startup comedy. So from there I can start my startup company, maybe about course or another about service and the other because uh, you have tell me how to make the startup company. Yeah.
I have one question that was it was a very big deal. If you doesn't know, you cannot make a startup company. That is, do you know how much budget to make a startup company to be a startup company?
Uh, I have my budget. It's just because it's just for little startup company. I prepare the budget. It's around 200 for the first month. So it will be used for give for how to say gaji. Yeah,
To pay the
to pay the employment. Yeah, because uh, if we have employee but not we not pay for them, yeah, that's not good. Yeah, good. That's bad. And then uh, that's for another operational tool lah. Maybe if later I wanna make some IoT, so I can demonstrate it with simulation like using Okui, and then there's the hardware too. So the student or the people that enroll the course will believe to our course. So that's can be implementation in the real world.
plan. Although still was a plan.
Yeah, still wrong.
Yes, but if you want to really make a start company, just for your information, I'll just make it clear. For like mobile app technology, you need some like around the budget is around $5,000 until $10,000. For like an e-commerce or multi app, it was around like and from $50,000 until $230,000. Uh, um, if you want to make a start company, it was just a disclaimer. Some start company I have that like I thought before. It like I mentioned before. Uh, he have a cafe, but it was doesn't work well. And I have seen so many company like that. So just put on your mindset. Don't ever tell to yourself making a startup company that will grow big as like Tokopedia, Gojek, and the other example in Indonesia is like as easy as that because they need to make the plan and what did they want to invent. It's like around 2 or 5 years. So from there until now, it's been until more than 30 years, and yeah, it was not easy. But for the last and not least questions, do you have interest? Can you before mention that you want to freelance, right?
Yeah.
Now, why did you want to freelance? But before you want to say, before you say you want to make a startup company too. So what? Which one you want to want?
Now I wanna learn some experience about real startup company, and then when that already grown up, I start the freelance.
Okay, thank you for your time that was watching this video, and thank you for Elang Budi Yudhistira who has been the questioners and the speaker too. And maybe that's all from us. Thank you. My name is Kurang Aziz.
Bang Budi Cerah.
That's all from us.
Assalamualaikum
Wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.